Hey, to connect Xiaomi Watch S3 with your Android smartphone, first of all you have to turn on this watch by holding this button. You have to click and hold it until you've got this welcome screen with the language. So we have to simply select the English. In my case, I'm just selecting English. And now we have information that we have to download the Mi Fitness application. So now we have to just put it back. Then go into the smartphone. From this, we have to open the Google Play Store. And now we have to click on the search and we have to input this phrase Mi Fitness because we are looking for this application from the Xiaomi. So now we have to click install and we have to wait for this downloading process. It will take probably for like 10 seconds or something like this. Now as you can see, it's downloaded on my phone, so I have to just wait until the installation will be finished and I can click open. From this I have to click start. Now we have to select this option to agree for the user agreement. Click agree. From this screen we'll have to select our region. So in my case I'm in the Poland, but if you are on the other region, just select this from the list or input here and find it. Click next. And now all we have to do is just to go into the settings on our smartphone. So just put this application into the background, go into the settings, and on your smartphone you have to actually find the Bluetooth settings. So in my case it's actually on the connected devices. And now we have to click on the pair new device. But in my case I don't have this switcher to manually turn on the Bluetooth, so I have to do this from this quick settings bar. I have to just click on it and then turn on the Bluetooth. Next, I will have to go back into the Mi Fitness application, select the device, click to add device, now tap agree, click on it one more time, and accept a very permission that is popping on your screen. And as you can see now, we've got our watch. We can actually see that it's actually available. So select the watch with this name. If for some reason you cannot find it, you can just click to add the model, and from this you have to find Xiaomi Watch S3. It's just right here. Next, let's select this watch, and now we have to sign in into the Xiaomi account. So click to sign in, and from this we've got few verification methods. So you can input your Xiaomi account if you have one, but if you don't have, you can actually create an account by clicking here and following on-screen instructions. But in my case, I'm using to authorize with my Google account. So I have to click right here and just select my Google account. So I'm gonna do this out of the camera. We have to click agree right here. Now from the list, in my case, I have to wait for like a few seconds and I can select my account. And now from this, I'm back on this screen and I have to select the watch one more time. Now I have to accept this pairing request on my phone and on my watch. Now if for some reason you are not connected, just click to pair it one more time. So now on your smartphone, click next, next, and click done. From here you can select actually this option to synchronize all notifications and then tap set. Enable this notification access, click set. Now from this, scroll, select Mi Fitness application, tap on the allow notification access and click allow one more time. Then go back, click to set, accept permission for your contacts. I can actually recommend you to turn off this do not disturb mode synchronization. Tap set. Now synchronize, so click OK. And as you can see, we already got the new update, but you can do this later. So I'm gonna click cancel. Now, as you can see, looks like this is the first time we have connection to this device. Okay, that's actually weird. Never mind. And there we go. Now we are connected. Let's take a look how it looks on our watch. We have to click start. Swipe to the left side for the 3 times, click done, click skip, and now we can use our device. So as you can see, that's all. That's how you can connect this watch into your Android phone right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.